Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 4 from paper June 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. Figure 1 shows a sketch of a curve with the equation y equals to f of x. The curve has a minimum point at p minus 1 and 0. Let's label it first. So p is, the coordinate here is minus 1 and 0. And maximum point at q 3 over 2 and 2. All right. The line with the equation y equals to 1 is the only asymptote to the curve. And on a separate diagram, sketch the curve with the equation f of x minus 2. So we need to sketch a diagram where we need to show that there is a vertical shift down 2 units down. Okay, so let's sketch it. This is the actual diagram on the left hand side. Okay, from this diagram I'm gonna sketch here. Okay, so this is x-axis and this is y-axis, because I need to shift 2 units down. So the Q point, first let's shift asymptote. Asymptote here is at y equals to 1. So if I shift it 2 units down, so 1 from 1 to 0 and 0 to negative 1. So this will come here. So this is negative 1 and my asymptote is this, is shifted 2 units down. All right, then point Q, if I look at point Q, because it's shifted 2 units down, so this would be 3 over 2, the x coordinate will remain same, 3 over 2 and 0. So my point Q will be somewhere here. So let's say this is 3 over 2 and 0. This is a point Q, which is 3 over 2 and 0. Now let's look at point P. Point P is minus 1 and 0. From 0, I have to shift it 2 units down. So this would be negative 2. So let's say negative 2 is somewhere here. So P is negative 1 and 2. So this is P, which is negative 1 and negative 2. All right. So we have plotted the points. It's time to just sketch it. So I can join this point with Q like this. And then there is a curve, go straight with asymptote. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can just show it this way. Okay, then there is again a turn. It's a minimum point and it goes straight with asymptote. All right, this is the sketch of the curve with the equation y equals to f of x minus 2. Then Q, where Q is a maximum point and P is the minimum point. Okay, in the second part of this question, it says that y equals to f of minus x. F of minus x means it reflects to x-axis, y-axis. It reflects on y-axis because this is inside change. So the whole figure, I'll flip it this way and this will go this way. All right, so let's sketch it. First I will try to sketch, let me erase these arrows and let's first sketch here on the actual diagram just to show you how it is reflected on y-axis. Because I have to take, because it says y equals to f of minus x, so it means that all the x values I will change to negative. All right, so if I look at the maximum Q point, which is 3 over 2, x value is 3 over 2. So when I shift it here, it will be minus 3 over 2. So minus 3 over 2 will be somewhere, let's say somewhere here. So Q is minus 3 over 2 and 2. and minimum point is P, and x value is negative. So when I reflect on y-axis, so this will go to this side, and this is P, and that is 1 and 0. Okay, and asymptote will remain same because it won't affect on asymptote. So now it's just time to uh, reflect it, just time to draw it. So this is my maximum point. Okay, let's join maximum point with the minimum point. Right, and then there is a slight small curve, and then uh, it goes parallel to the asymptote. Okay, this is the reflection on y-axis. You need to draw it separately here on the next page to show it the reflection. I just drew it on a figure 1, but you are supposed to draw on a separate diagram on this next page here. I hope you understand the question number 4. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. And don't forget to like, subscribe to AYS Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you. Bye.